Legislation will be introduced to enable the building of the high-speed 2 railway line, providing further opportunities for economic growth in many of Britain's cities.
At the Taylor household in Warwickshire, the Queen's speech was bad news. HS2 will run close to their home in the village of Burton Green, flattening some of their neighbours' houses.
Do you think now it is inevitable that the Queen has announced it?
No, nothing's inevitable. We're talking about politics now, aren't we? It obviously is highly likely. It's moved one stage further towards being firmed up and concrete, but never say die.
What struck me was when the Queen talked about a fairer society, because HS2 has nothing to do with fairness. All along the line, and now along the Y, people are being discriminated and treated unfairly. And for those people in Nottinghamshire and Leicestershire, they're going to face the years of anxiety and misery which our community have faced.
The Queen has spoken, HS2. Does this mean it's going ahead?
No, this doesn't mean it's going ahead at all. What this means is the government are desperately running out of money for the project, which is why they brought 2 bills forward, because they need to spend more money more quickly with less accountability and less scrutiny.
Whilst campaigners in the countryside say they see today's Queen's speech as like another nail in the coffin, there are many business leaders in cities like Birmingham and Nottingham who welcome HS2 and say they can't wait for it to come to the Midlands. What do you think of the Queen's speech today?
Really significant. 2 bills going through. Very unusual to have 2 bills. The first one gives certainty about the route. The second one means money can be spent. It's paving the way to significant investment. So this is the starting gun has been fired for High Speed 2.
A starting gun maybe, but along the route, campaigners are hoping it'll misfire. Keith Wilkinson, ITV News.